Skid-mounted equipment is common, but have you ever seen such large-size skid-mounted external heating kiln? Behind me is SICA series skid-mounted rotary kiln, used for thermal pyrolysis of special materials. Whole equipment weighs 29 tons. Adopt a 40 feet standard high-cube container with door closed, lifting, lashing, and locking makes working site transfer convenient. Some parts, like chimney and feeder, adopts detachable design, making on-site installation efficient. This is large support frame with prefabricated inclination angle. As long as ground hardened, it can run after easy connection. Heating chamber and main body adopts skid-mounted design. 7-channel burning units provide the heat needed for the system. Whole system is with high adaptability, environmental friendly, and non-working site sensitive. Taida has already served numerous 100 top clients, while others are still talking about working principle. We are dedicated to various large, medium, and small-scale skid-mounted thermal engineering projects. We aim to help customers achieve rapid deployment, flexible transportation, and continuous value growth. If you also have needs related to special materials pyrolysis or skid-mounted rotary kilns, get in touch with us.